Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll learn the exciting world of cryptocurrency and talking about something super important: how to buy and, more importantly, how to store your cryptocurrency safely. If you're a beginner, don't worry. We've got you covered with a step-by-step guide. Choosing a cryptocurrency exchange. The first step is choosing a cryptocurrency exchange. This is like the online marketplace where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and BitGet. Creating an account. Once you've picked an exchange, you'll need to create an account. It's a bit like signing up for any other online service. Just fill in your details, create a strong password, and voila! You're in. Don't worry for where to find all these platforms. I have provided all the required links in description below. Just click on links you need. Verifying your identity. Some exchanges might ask you to verify your identity. Don't worry, it's a security measure to protect you and the platform. Follow their instructions, usually involving providing some ID, and you're good to go. Adding funds. Now, let's talk money. You'll need to add funds to your account. Most exchanges accept bank transfers, credit, debit cards, or even other cryptocurrencies. Buying your first cryptocurrency. With funds in your account, it's time to buy your first cryptocurrency. Choose the one you're interested in. Enter the amount you want to buy, and hit that purchase button. Choosing a wallet. Now that you've got some crypto, it's essential to have a safe place to store it. Enter the cryptocurrency wallet. There are two main types: hot wallets, online, and cold wallets, offline. Hot wallets are convenient for everyday transactions, while cold wallets provide added security for long-term storage. Hot wallets. Using software wallets. Software wallets, like those on your phone or computer, are handy for daily use. They're connected to the internet, making transactions quick and easy. Examples include Trust Wallet and MetaMask. Cold wallets. The extra layer of security. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are like the Fort Knox of cryptocurrency storage. They're offline, making them immune to online hacking attempts. Popular options are hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor. Backing up your wallet. Regardless of the type of wallet you choose, back it up. Write down those recovery phrases and store them somewhere safe. This is your golden ticket to accessing your funds if anything goes wrong. Regularly updating your wallet software. Keep your wallet software up to date. Developers release updates for security reasons, and you want to stay protected. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to buy and store cryptocurrency safely. Remember, the key is to take it step by step, do your research, and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Until next time, stay secure and happy investing. Thanks for watching.